Okay, so now we're going to do some examples using these rules that we've just learnt. So we're asked to find the integral of these four expressions. So for this one, 4x squared dx, well, what we can rewrite this as 4 times the integral of x squared dx. That's going to be equal to 4 times x to the power 3 over 3 plus c, which leaves us with 4 over 3 x cubed plus c. So this question here, the integral of negative 2 dt, so we can rewrite this as negative 2 times the integral, and what is here that we can't see is this t to the power of 0, which is equal to 1, right, which we usually can't see, and then we have it dt. So this then becomes negative 2 times t to the power of 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus c. So that is just equal to negative 2t plus c. Right, then this one here, right, is we adding them together. Okay, so it's the integral of x squared, x to the power 4 plus x cubed dx. So this is just the integral of x to the power 5 divided by 5 plus x4 divided by 4, increasing the power, divided by that power, plus c. That's it. Really easy. This one down here, the integral of minus x to the 4 over 9 plus x to the power 3 dx. This just then becomes minus x to the 4 over 9 plus 9 over 9 all over, well, let's just work this out. So this would be 4 plus 9, it's going to be 13, so this is going to be 13 over 9 plus, this one's a bit simpler, x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. And what we want to do here is simplify this. So when you're dividing this, 9 will come up to the top, so this becomes minus 9 x to the power of 13 over 9 all over 13 plus x 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, that's the idea. So let's try a few more examples. So these ones here, so these are have both rules, you know, so you got to watch out for these. So well, what is going to happen here? Well, the constants, you can still treat them as removed from each section. You don't, so you're going to have to integrate these separately with the constants. So I'll just show you what I mean. So integrate integral of 3. Well, you could split them up again. I think I might make it simpler. So you go x squared dx plus 2 integral cubed dx. This just becomes 3 cubed over 3 plus x to the 4, 2x to the 4 over 4 plus c. So this becomes x cubed plus, these cancel, x over 2 to the power of 4 plus c. Okay, then over here, this one, integral of s minus s to the power 3 over 2 plus 4s to the power 3 plus s to the minus 2 ds. So again, it's just exactly the same. You want to increase this power and then divide by that power. So this becomes 5 over 2. This becomes negative s to the power of 5 over 2, and you want to divide by that 5 over 2. And then you go plus 4 s to the power of 4 divided by 4, so those 4s will cancel, plus, okay, so s, and this can be tricky, so just remember when you're going to be adding to a negative number, it's obviously going to get bigger, but because you're working with negative numbers, the absolute value of this is going to get slightly smaller, so it'll be to the -1, right, plus c. So what does this simplify out as? This becomes -2 over 5 s to the 5 over 2 plus s to the power of 4 plus 1 over s plus c. Okay, so it's really simple, but you just need to make sure you're just doing it bit by bit, concentrating each individual term and doing them as appropriate. And the more practice you get, the easier it will become.